Alright, and this problem says find the average rate of change of f of x over the interval 1 to 3, and the function f is x squared plus 3x minus 2. Alright, hopefully you notice that this problem is slightly different. Let me give us a visual of what we're doing. If you made a quick sketch, this is a quadratic, so it's going to be a parabola. A value is positive, so it's opening up, and you have a y-intercept of negative 2. So your graph might look something like this. In this problem, though, your interval is between 1 and 3. On the x-axis, if you look at 1 and you look at 3, the question is, if I weigh it higher than that, what does the graph look like between 1 and 3? What's the slope? Basically, what they're asking for at 1, what's the slope between this point and 1, 2, 3, and something like this? What's the slope of this red 2 points? Okay, so that's what's happening. So, what does that mean for us? You have x values. You basically have two sets of order pairs, and in this first order pair, you know the x value is 1. And you know on the second coordinate, your x value is 3. We basically need to figure out what are the y coordinates here, and then we just need to find the slope between those 2 points. So the first thing we're going to do is evaluate separately. Say that, class. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to take my function and I'm going to take one of my coordinates there's my input of 1. Again, you can always do this with your calculator. So every x value we're putting in 1. Class 1 squared is 3 times 1 is, and I have the minus 2. 1 plus 3 is, and 4 minus 2 is 2. So f of 1 equals 2. My output is 2. The order pair is 1, 2. This is my first order pair. Now, in the other formula that you guys saw, to make it more complicated, another way of writing the order pair is x1 f of x of 1. You're just basically putting the 1 into your function, and you get an output. Okay, so we've done the first order pair. Let's go ahead and do the second order pair. So I'm going to have the same function, and I'm putting the blanks there so you have enough space to fill it in with our input. My input's going to be a 3. Every x value put in 3. So now I have f of 3 equals 3 squared plus 3 times 3 minus 2. Class, what's 3 squared? 3 times 3? 9 plus 9 minus 2. F of 3 equals 16. 16 is the output of our second point. So what we did is we evaluated separately, and next, now I just need to find the average rate of change. Class, what's another word for average rate of change? It's basically just finding your slope. The fancy words here is you're finding a secant. Partner A, tell partner B, what's the formula for slope or average rate of change? Elvis, tell us a formula for slope or average rate of change. I'm going to highlight the minus sign. My y2 value is 16 minus 2 over 3 minus 1. And now I have 16 minus 2, which is 14 over 2, and 14 divided by 2 is 7. The average rate of change is 7. So to review, in this problem they give us an interval notation. We evaluate them separately, and then you find your average rate of change.